Hello there, and thank you for joining us at 909 South Venice. This is one of my favorite blocks of South Venice in San Francisco. There's so much beautiful vintage architecture. Once you see this place, you will understand what I am talking about. It's one of the areas that was protected from the 1906 quake. This house was originally built in the 1890s, so we still have a lot of the original floors. These doors have been closed off so that this room is separate from the other room. This one actually can be used as a bedroom, or you can use it as a living room, whichever one you prefer. We're just going to get a little look down the hallway. Beautiful, amazingly high ceilings, and there's some fantastic detail work on the sides here as well. Nice little space for a sitting room here. Lots and lots of closet space too, which is not typical of Victorian or Edwardian places. Coming to the bedroom, we've got an additional wall that's been built here, which conceals a hidden closet. So we've got one closet off to the side, and then we'll take a little walk through the hidden closet, which is really special. Lots and lots of space in here. Cabinets, and rods for clothes. There's an amazing amount of light. Like I said, really high ceilings, beautiful chandeliers going on as well. We'll go ahead and step on into the dining room. Another fireplace, another beautiful mantelpiece as well. Lots and lots of space in here. Looking over into the backyard, mature trees, and then we'll go ahead and peek on through into the kitchen, which has been entirely redone. I love it when these old places maintain a lot of the old look to it, but the kitchens are all modern. So we've got all of our modern appliances, new cabinetry, gas stove, nice big huge refrigerator. And there is also this one little door that you see here. This goes into a hidden pantry. Lovely thing about those old places is they loved their hidden doors. So we'll go ahead and we'll walk on into our living room, dining room, TV room, whatever you would like to call it, office. This is great for that. Right at the back of the house, so it's really nice and quiet here. We've got our washer dryer tucked away into the corner. Into the closet space here. And then we'll go ahead and take a look outside. This is a shared backyard. It's just 3 units in the building. Nice and quiet. Lots of space, picnic table, anything you want to do back here. Like I said, a lot of mature growth in the trees, so it's not something that you feel like you need to necessarily do a whole lot of work with. Plus we've got our beautiful fairy lights. We'll go ahead and take another walk on through. The staircase is a remnant from the old building. This just goes up to the upstairs, but it's been blocked off. But just in case you need to know someone's there, they're just a knock away. And then, as I was talking about with the hidden doorway, we have a second little hidden doorway. This goes into our ensuite bathroom. So our half bath is just tucked away here. You would barely even know it was there. Got another bathroom tucked away off the hallway here. Again, all redone, so it's the same sort of thing where you've got a lot of beautiful vintage aspects to it, and then for the bathrooms and the kitchen has all been completely redone. So we'll go ahead and step back into the front room, walking down our nice long hallway. Lots of room for pictures in here, always fun.